I can type in values. And then I can put in my Y values. I used to do a line. Oops, that's not good. Okay, so I have data here that I've typed in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Y data. By the way, if you can see over here, I can actually change the description of my data. Well, I click on the Y data. I'm going to go plot and click scatter. There's my graph. I don't want this window to be that big. Oops. Something went wrong there. I can click on the x-axis and put time here. By the way, I can change the color of the font. If you like purple, you can make it purple. And if you like different size fonts and stuff, we can change that. Okay. And let me apply. So now I have purple. It says time in seconds. I hit OK. The y-axis, let's say position. And maybe I'll change the color to red. I'm going to put the meters in there. And let me make the font size bigger. And apply, and OK. And then my title, I'm going to put position versus time. I'm going to spell it correctly. And maybe I'll make the font bigger. I can make it 16 point. I'll keep it black. That's fine. So there's my graph. Now, what I'm going to do is analyze that graph. I want to find the slope of that graph. So the software will actually fit data to this line. It'll fit data to any, I mean, this software is awesome because it can fit to anything, okay? So I'm going to go under analysis. For the linear one, this is easy. I'm going to go under analysis and choose quick fit linear. It gives me the line right away. Okay? And it tells me the y-intercept and the slope. Let me, I plotted perfect data. Usually data isn't perfect. So let me screw up the data a little bit. Okay. Let me screw up the data a little bit. So let me change. Okay. And let me look at the graph. So notice, notice though, this, once I screw up the data, this fit isn't valid. So I'm going to do another fit. Okay, I'm going to do another fit. I'm going to leave the original one there so you can compare. I'm going to do another fit. I'm going to do analysis, quick fit, because this is so fast, linear, and it's going to fit to y equals mx plus b. And it does the fit. And I'm going to change the color of the fit to purple. I don't know why I chose purple. And I'm going to make the line thicker. So that's the new fit. The old fit, if I double click on the old fit, I don't actually want to see the old fit. I'm going to make it really faint. Hold on a second. Okay, here's a new fit, the purple line. So here are my curve fit results. I'm going to copy this stuff here. Go into Control C. I'm going to copy this. And what I'm going to do to this curve fit, when you do a curve fit, you need to show the reader what the results are. So I'm going to go to Graph, add text on this layer. And I'm going to put in the curve fit results. There's too much information here. Anyway, I'll just leave it like that. I'm going to change the font because the font's probably going to be small. So here are the curve fit results, and I can move that around. Make this bigger. So there's my curve fit. It tells me that my y-intercept is 4.06 plus or minus 0.14, and it tells me that A is 1.01 plus or minus 0.02. Okay, so I want to report my y-intercept and my A property. So let me actually take this graph. I want to copy it, and I'm going to put it into my Word document. So I'm going to have to stop the share. Let me go, let's say, down here, and I'm going to hit paste. There's my graph. Now, here's the graph that I just made. And I'm going to magnify this. So let's focus on the slope. Notice it gives you the slope and the uncertainty. If I'm going to quote my slope of my graph, it tells me the uncertainty is to the 100th place. The first double digit is at the 100th place. So I'm going to write my slope as this. 1.01 plus or minus 0.03. And this has units, okay? You can get rid of all these lines. The y-intercept is 4.06666, but it's known only to the 10th place. So I'm going to write the y-intercept is units of meters. I'm going to write it like that. Notice I put parentheses around the values because then I can write the unit. I only have to write the unit once. That's it. Okay, I only have to write the unit once. And that's how I report my results. So next time what I'm going to do, because it's already 10:50, I'm going to show you how to do the quadratic fit and the other fit. So Monday, I'm going to show you how to do the other fits. You should be able to already do item 1, item 2, let's see. You should be able to do item 1 and item 2 for sure. Okay, which won't take long. You saw it took me, what, 20 minutes to do this. Now, let me switch to the internet. And this is a website. Hit download. And it'll give you the download for your computer. It'll actually do it'll give you either Windows edition, the Mac edition, or if you have a Linux computer, Ubuntu or whatever, it'll give you that too. But if you use Linux, it's going to actually give you the actual source code. This is free software, okay? And so you can download this, and it'll install on your computer. You guys are going to have to follow the instructions on the document. I created a document. It's on Canvas. That's called SciDavis instruction. Okay. Print that out. It gives you step-by-step instruction on how to make graphs and do curve fits. So next time, I think at the beginning of class, when we meet again after spring break, I'm going to show you how to do the quadratic fit and the other fits. And then we should be fine for this project. Let me stop the share real quick.
Prof,